All right, equity mates, we're back with a review of Moomoo's trading platform, a new broker here in Australia. They claim to be Australia's first AI-powered broker.
Great.
Brokerage platform, trading platform.
Need a bit of intelligence in my investing.
Yeah, so last video, we jumped on, signed up, had a look around, figured out that it was an incredibly resource-rich platform.
Yep.
It was probably tilted more towards traders rather than long-term investors. Nothing wrong with that.
Plenty of ways to make money in the market. Plenty of brokers to do it through.
Yes. So the way we finished last episode was we were going to jump on and actually make some trades.
We were going to put some money on the platform.
Yeah.
Now in this video, you're going to see us make some trades. Not advice.
Not advice.
Now, it's important to note that Bryce is pretending here that he's a laptop operator, but this is just for show. He's on his phone.
Yeah.
I'm on my computer. We're also screen recording at the same time. So we've got money in the account. That's tick boxed. So we're going to look at the different inspiration we can get to make the trade. So we're going to look at the AI engine again. We're going to look at institutional tracking. You can see what the big funds are buying. And then we are also going to look at the stock screener and filter on some things that we want to see. Growth rate over 100%, massive dividend yield, free cash flow monster. That's what I'm looking for.
Yep.
So they're the three things we're going to do. And then we're actually, the fourth thing to close out this episode, we're going to make a trade.
That's it. So let's kick off, Ren. While you sort out your laptop, log in, do all those things, I'm already in.
I'm
already in fast.
Cut to the camera. Look at me. I'm charting.
Fast. So as I said at the top, they claim to be Australia's first AI-powered trading platform. Now, just to run through a couple of the AI features before we get going. The first is AI Monitor, Ren. And that is where you can upload your watch list. I've got a watch list here. I've got some ETFs in there. I've got some Australian companies. I've got some US companies. And what the AI Monitor does is it tells me unusual trading activity for the companies in my watch list. All right, so for example, I've got BHP and Macquarie in, and it's telling me that at 10:52 for Macquarie, there was a large block buy of 50,000 units, 50,000 stocks. Similarly, for Novonix, it's telling me that it's currently on a swift rise of 1.73% since open. Similarly, it told me though at the start, CBA is a swift fall of 1.5%. So I think the real purpose of this is if you are into that day trading, if you are into wanting to keep track of movement, of volume flow, certainly this is a feature that you can set and it'll give you updates of stocks in your watch list. It tells you sectors, it tells you indexes as well.
Nice.
Will I be using this in my trading decision? I don't think so. But as I said, if it is something that you want to keep a finger on the pulse on not only day-to-day, but minute-by-minute movements of stocks for traders, day traders, great little feature. It's called AI Monitor.
So I am in the AI section in hot strategies, and one of the key things if you're trading that you want to look at is support levels and resistance levels. So support levels is when a stock is falling and it gets to a point where investors start buying again. That's looks like it's a support level on the charts. And then resistance, stock is rising, it gets to a certain point and it can't break through that level. There's resistance at that level. And so I'm in the support and resistance section here. And if I have a look at the stocks, there's 10 stocks, some that I know, Lincoln National, Wix.com, the website builder, Chevron, let's go into a random one. Lincoln National, you heard of it?
No.
There you go, now you have. So you can see here, look at this chart. That's the kind of green that you want to see. It got up, but then it's coming down and it looks like this line, this dotted line at 5186, Moomoo's AI has identified as a resistance level, and you can see, I don't know if I can zoom in on the chart. How good's that? You can see here that it's hit this resistance level a couple of times. So that's the kind of thing you can see if you're into your charting, if you're into your day trading.
Nice.
It's good to have some help.
So Ren, one of the challenges when you're trying to make an investment is getting inspiration, knowing what to invest in.
Yeah.
Moomoo has AU market, US, Hong Kong, you name it, plenty of investment opportunities. Institutional tracking is one feature that I think is a great way to get an insight into what some of the big big investors around the world are investing in. So here we've got, none bigger than Berkshire Hathaway.
Nice.
It's pretty straightforward. You jump in, click on Berkshire, and then you can see their top holdings. No surprises.
Apple.
Nailed it.
Bank of America. Coca-Cola.
Yes.
Do you want me to keep going?
Can you get the fourth?
I don't know if I can. Give me a hint.
Oil.
Is it Occidental?
No.
Oh, Chevron.
Yeah. And then American Express. But anyway, great feature. It also breaks down the industries that they're in and tells you how much they have in terms of assets under management. So if you are looking to track what the big institutions are doing, what they're buying, what they're selling, hot industries, no doubt we can see here software infrastructure is massive amongst some of the big players. Drug manufacturers is massive, semiconductors, all the stuff that we talk about on the show. The big dogs they're investing in. So that's one feature if you're looking for investment opportunities.
The stock screener.
Yeah.
And this is where the fact that I'm on a computer is just going to blow your socks off.
Okay, well let's do it. I'll get in stock screener as well and we see how we go.
If we cut to my computer, you go strategy and then you go screener. Easy.
Okay.
All right, so what are we filtering?
Well, they've got a couple here already that they suggest. High profit and growth. Can you see that?
I've just got
you've just got
pure
everything.
blue sky.
You're going from the bottom.
I don't need help.
All right. Well, let's. Okay. Wow. This is quite extensive.
So Bryce, let's start. You can see here we can choose different markets. Let's do Australia.
Yep.
Let's be parochial. All right. So you can see every company here listed by. Ticker, alphabetical, so the numbers first, then it starts with A. I can change it and I can sort by market cap. Bryce, biggest security by market cap?
Biggest security?
Yep.
VAS.
No.
I
actually don't think it's got the ETFs in the screener. That would be confusing.
Yeah. BHP.
No.
CBA.
No.
What? Gold.
Westpac bonds.
Don't believe it.
Well, people will be looking at my screen, and so like a lot of the biggest securities by market cap are the bonds. And then we get into, so you can see here, BHP coloured differently. That's nice to see. Then Combank and then CSL. Oh, this is interesting. So companies listed on the ASX that have a market cap of less than $1 billion and are hitting 52-week highs. And we got to remember we're in a bear market, so not a lot of companies are hitting 52-week highs. There's 2,000 companies listed on the ASX. There's 8 companies that meet this criteria.
That'll all be in resources.
Let me read them to you. IPD Group, Apollo Tourism and Leisure, Gemin, WA1 Resources, Omega Oil and Gas, OD6 Metals, Cobra Resources, Astral Resources. Bryce Lesky, you do know your markets. A lot of them are resources.
There's one more thing that I just want to point out on the app, Ren, and that is global lists. I find this might be useful when we're just looking to do episodes because they list out global profit lists, the top 100 most profitable companies in the world.
Okay, don't tell me what number 1 is.
Okay.
I'm going between Aramco or Apple, and I think it's Apple.
It's Apple.
Yeah.
Aramco doesn't actually pop up in this list, so that's an oversight. Maybe it's you. No, it does say global. And second is Berkshire Hathaway.
Okay.
$91 billion in profit.
Wow.
Yeah. Then there's global market cap. Then there's global revenue. What do you reckon revenue?
Biggest revenue in the world? Walmart.
Yeah. Yes. Walmart coming in second is Amazon. Let's make some trades. We've got 200.
You know what? It's only for a week.
Yeah.
You're going Weebit Nano.
Yeah.
I am going to back that you'll screw it up. I'm going Commonwealth Bank.
Okay, right, nice.
Moomoos for all types of investors.
Ren's going for Commonwealth Bank. I'm going for Weebit Nano. So next week we're going to see who's won and how this plays out across the platform. And I'm sure there's going to be a few different things that we can pick up on once we actually have a position to pick up on a couple of these other AI features, such as trend simulation and similar stocks. Once you buy, the AI system will present stocks that are similar to what is on your watch list or companies in your portfolio.
And just while Bryce was wrapping up there, you can probably maybe see even on my screen that I have actually put a buy order in for Commonwealth Bank. I'm going to go blue chip. So I'll do one BHP. Oh, you know what? I can do two BHP even. And then my Commonwealth and BHP holdings will beat Bryce. So there you go. You can see, you confirm it, market order, BHP, quantity 2, let's go. Insufficient buying power. Maybe let's go back to 1. There you go.
Well, I'm going to go.
Hold on. This is the exciting reveal. Confirm. Look at how quickly that was filled. So there we go. I've got one Commonwealth Bank share you can see here and one BHP share ready to go.
All right, so I'm just going in on Macquarie here. Buy. Insufficient buying power. I already have one. Okay, I'm in, I think.
I now kind of feel like you cheated me because Macquarie is just a good...
Seems to be the only company I can buy. Anyway, there we go. I'm in on Macquarie at 167. Buying power back down to 191. So
yeah, so $9 brokerage. Look, I think this platform is incredibly data rich. If you're trying to trade, this platform has so much more information than some of the other brokerage platforms I use. I think the key watch out is the cost of brokerage, and don't be is it overwhelming? Obviously, we've had some trouble buying some things, so I think there's some things to watch out for. But it's a cool platform.
Yeah,
it's obviously been a lot of work put into building it.
Nice. All right. Well, we'll be back next week with an update on who comes out on top. Is it Macquarie? We've gone to top end of town. Is it CBA? Is it BHP?
Yeah.